Hello my amazing YT family, welcome back on here. How are we all doing? I trust we're doing great, just as I am. In today's video I'll be sharing a sandwich recipe. Easy, simple and delicious. Do not forget to do all the beautiful things on here, like, comment and share, and join the family if you aren't part of this family already. To the parsley which I have there on the screen, it is one of the ingredients we'll be using for this egg sandwich. I have washed it very thoroughly. I'm just patting it dry because I want to take out the water before mincing it. I also want to use the opportunity to say thank you to my returning subscribers. Thank you for your encouragement. I truly appreciate it. So once the parsley is dry, I'm just going to be mincing it and setting it aside. This sandwich can be made overnight and refrigerated, and it will still taste very good. So you can just grab it into your bag and then off you go to work and have it for lunch, or you can have it for breakfast. So the parsley at this point, I've minced it very thoroughly. I'm just going to set aside, and then we'll move on to the next ingredient, which is 2 hard-boiled egg. I'm using my potato masher to mash it down. You can use a fork if you don't have a potato masher. You just mash it down up onto your desired texture. I'll be matching it to look like bread like crumbs. I don't want it extremely smooth. At this point I'm done matching. Now I'm going to be adding a few other ingredients to it. First I'll be adding our white pepper, just a bit. I'll mix, then a pinch of salt, and then mayonnaise generously. I'm going to be adding the already minced parsley as well, and then mix all together, and then our egg mixture is ready to be used. See how creamy it is. The mayonnaise is the secret to it being creamy. So now to the bread we'll be using, I'll just be spreading the egg mixture onto the bread, and I'll be using a generous amount because I like my sandwich to have a very rich feeling, not dry. So I'll just spread it out very well. And to the second slice of bread, which I'll be using to cover the other one, I just spread a little bit of melted butter onto it. It's actually optional, but I like to do that to help the sandwich remain moist. And then our bread is ready to be toasted. I'll be using a mini grill. Onto my grill, I'll just place the prepared sandwich, set it to the time I want, and then here it is ready. Usually to my grill I don't apply oil, and then the bread still comes out very fine, as you can see. So you can apply oil to your grill or not, either way it's up to you. And here we go. See how moist it is, dripping delicious. If you've watched to this point, I truly appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching. In our next or another video rather, I'll be showing you how I make my corned beef sandwich. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and bye bye.